street.
So this is a very difficult left turn at the top of the road. So my car, I'm literally sitting on this black line. So if this black line was to cut my body in half, it would be cutting my body right in half. And checking my mirrors, I'm close to the white line, but actually sitting on the black line. Yeah, and I'm making a turn and I'm taking my time because there's a car coming. I'm swinging the wheel around a little to look at my speed. Okay, I wasn't sure about that black car. He didn't signal and he took a left turn. And you'll find a lot of people doing that. Not a lot, some people doing that.